In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer quote or estimate in Xero. Whether you're just starting with Xero or looking to streamline your quoting process, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. First, let's navigate to the Xero dashboard. Open your web browser, head over to your Xero account, and log in if you haven't already. Once there, the dashboard will be your starting point for accessing various features, including creating quotes. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the Quotes option. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you can manage all your customer quotes. This is the hub for creating, editing, and tracking quotes, making it a critical area to get familiar with. Once you're in the quotes section, you need to identify the contact to whom you'll be sending the quote. Start by typing the contact's name or company into the search field. This will help you filter through your contact list and quickly find the customer you're looking for. For demonstration purposes, let's click on the contact for Trish Rawlings. This example will give you a template for how to select the right contact. After selecting your contact, one crucial aspect of your quote is setting an expiry date. This step ensures that your quote is valid for a specific time frame, providing clarity for both you and your customer. Typically, businesses set an expiry date that aligns with their policies. For this demonstration, we'll select in 7 days as the expiry date. This option is often convenient for short-term offers or deals. Next, it's time to move on to the specifics of what your quote entails. Start by adding a row item. This involves listing the goods or services you're offering. Click on the row item field to input your first quote item. For example, let's select golf balls, white 3-pack. This product entry should include all relevant details that you want to convey to your customer, such as product codes or specific offers. Here, we'll mention to reorder with the code GB3 white, providing additional context to the quote. The final step in the process is sending the quote to your customer. Once you've reviewed all details, for accuracy, locate the send button. Clicking this sends your quote directly to your customer's email, ripening it for acceptance or further negotiation. This page contains all the final checkboxes and options you might want to review before hitting send. Congratulations! You've successfully created and sent a customer quote in Xero. This process, once familiar, can significantly enhance your business's efficiency, ensuring your quoting process is as smooth and professional as possible. Stay tuned for more tips on using Xero effectively to manage your business. Thank you for watching and see you next time.